Welcome back to Theme Park Spark.
Molly and I just had the best experience ever. We're at California Adventure. We wanted to go on Radiator Springs Racers, and it was 2-hour wait all day. It was down for like the last couple hours. But we got to go on it with less than a half-hour wait. I'm going to show you the whole video of us riding Radiator Springs Racers tonight.
Buckle up, because right after this nighttime POV ride video, I'm telling you exactly how we got on the most popular ride at California Adventure with such a short wait, why I think this late night strategy is way better than rope drop, and a few more pro tips for exploring Cars Land at park close. But first, let's ride.
So excited.
So best ride ever.
Are we going to win the race?
Attention, make sure
Hopefully.
you stay seated.
Here we go.
Seatbelt button. Now go on a relaxing drive.
Oh my god. Is your bag around here?
Yes.
Okay, it should be. Mine is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hopefully we're on Luigi's side. We're gonna race.
Slow down. You're not racing yet. Just follow Mater into town to get ready. Mater!
Coming, Sheriff! Howdy! Good race, huh? It's gonna be fun! You sneak up on him and boom! Ready? Don't let Perk catch you.
Probably just a bad spark plug. You mean?
Race day.
In Radiator Springs,
Now we need to be fast.
you need to look back. Ka-chow. Ramon!
Every time.
I like it.
Ramon will get you a ride.
Are we on the different side?
That has always been on.
Shiny pink don't win a race.
Now get out there and do it proud.
You're gonna need to hold on to that. Alright, guys, we're gonna try
We lost.
My legs are shaking still. Are they supposed to talk?
Yes. They're not talking. We lost, but that's okay.
I know what you're wondering. How did we manage to bypass the 2-hour line for Radiator Springs Racers? And how did we even ride it when the app said it was closed?
We wanted to go on Radiator Springs Racers, and it was 2-hour wait all day. It was down for like the last couple hours. California Adventure closes at 10. We hovered nearby in Cars Land. We went on Luigi. We saw people waiting in line. This was like about 20 minutes before the park was going to close, and we just decided that we were going to chance it. So we got in line and we got on the ride with less than a half-hour wait. It reopened. It never reopened on the app. The app never said it was open, so the only way you would know that it was open is if you just came over here.
So we got in line. The app said it was closed. They let people on the ride anyway. And we were able to ride the most popular ride in California Adventure with less than a 30-minute wait. Well, everyone who trusted the app thought it was closed and completely missed out. Now, you might think it's better to rope drop Radiator Springs Racers. We've done that too. The first time my daughter rode it, we got on in about 20 minutes at rope drop. They just made an announcement that the wait is now 2 hours long. We've been waiting like 20 minutes and we're almost to the front. So for us, rope dropping was definitely worth it this morning. But that doesn't count the amount of time we spent waiting before the park officially opened for the day. When you add that in, it brings the real wait time to an hour or more. That's the reason why I don't think rope drop is the best strategy for the ride. And then there's the fact, and yes, I said fact, that this ride is just better at night.
This was Molly's first time riding it at night. Okay, Molly, what did you think was better, daytime or nighttime?
Nighttime, of course. It's awesome.
If you don't believe me, after you watch this video, check out my Radiator Springs Racers single rider video where I show a full POV of this ride during the day and tell you how much time I was able to save by waiting in the single rider line instead of the regular standby line. I put the link right here in the description box.
And now one other thing that's totally awesome is that we are in California Adventure when the park is closed, which means we got Route 66 with it practically empty. We're going to walk out to an almost empty California Adventure. Are you getting your kicks on Route 66?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is easily one of the best hidden perks of riding at park close. You get gorgeous photos down Route 66 without any strangers in the background. Or just slow down and soak in the music and the atmosphere. My favorite time of day at Disney is at night, when the park is almost empty, and all the rides in Cars Land are better at night. But riding them at the very end of the night is a total game changer. So your key takeaway from this video should be this. If the Disneyland app says a ride is closed, it might be worth hovering near the entrance anyway to see if a line is forming, especially at night. If cast members let guests form a line, chances are the ride is going to open. And remember, if you are in line for any ride before the park officially closes and that ride is running, Disney will let you ride it, even if the park is technically closed by the time you reach the front of the line. Now go click the link in the description box and check out my daytime POV video of Radiator Springs Racers, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because I have another video that I'm working on where I'm going to do a deep dive of Cars Land, because there are some other awesome things that you're not going to want to miss, such as what happens at sunset. Let me know in the comments whether you like this ride better during the day or at night. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified about upcoming videos about Disneyland and other fun places worth visiting in Southern California and beyond. See you next time.